this is Sydney. I'm here for Mrs. Bay's reading project. I'm making bacon bites for my dog Ella, who's right here. Ella, say hi. She just took a bath. Okay, she doesn't really look at it. Okay, so our first step is to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Grease 2 baking sheets. This is really 2 baking sheets. Set them aside for now. First, you preheat the oven to 250 degrees. Then, our second step was I put it in there for 26 minutes, and then my 6 pieces of bacon are right here. And now, what I have to do is I have to cut them up. It says crumble them, but I don't really know how to do that. And I don't. So you just keep on doing it until there's like little pieces. Okay, now I think that we're just about done. Crumble them. Oh yeah, by the way, make sure that you wash your hands before this and after. Okay. Okay, our next step is to combine the crumbled bacon and the other ingredients into a bowl. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take all this bacon bits, and I'm going to, this is disgusting. Then I'm going to add my other wet ingredients. Okay, so what I'm going to need is 4 eggs beaten. Okay, so now I have my bacon bits and my beaten 4 eggs in here. And now I'm going to take 2 cups of flour. I'm going to add them in here. Then I'm going to add my 2½ cups of wheat germ. Then I'm going to add my 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Then I'm going to add a ½ cup of instant milk. Then a cup of water. Okay, now I'm going to take this. Oh, and I've lined this thing with this stuff, parchment paper. And I'm going to later put on the little, the little meatballs for the dogs on step 5. And so right now, I have to stir this. Okay. Everything is mixed, and now I have to put it on the baking sheet. Instead of using 2 spoons, I have a small ice cream scooper that I'm going to take. Going to put it on the parchment paper. These are almost like little meatballs that are for dogs. Okay, I've done these over the break, and now I'm putting the last one in. They have to be at least 2 inches apart. My meatballs are kind of small because I have small dogs, but if you have a big dog, you can make them bigger to whatever size you want them. Okay, now I'm going to take these. Our oven is preheated to 350 degrees. I'm going to put it in the oven, cautionally, so I'm not killing myself. And then you're going to put these, never mind, sorry, there's 15 minutes. And then start time and see you back in 15 minutes. Okay, hello, we're back. This is what the Bacon Bite should look like when they come out of the oven. This is this is our older batch. This is what they should look like. I let these cool to room temperature so that you don't give a dog a hot biscuit. Okay, now our real question is, will Ella like this? Of course she will. She's Ella. See if Bernie likes it. Bernie! Ow. Alright, he's done. Thank you!